Vinaka and welcome to New Zealand's Garden City, Christchurch. Now when here, make sure to include a visit to the Bridge of Remembrance, which is located on the Oxford Terrace or the Strip, where you'll also find some cool shopping attractions of the city. Now Fiji Airways flies direct from Nandi International Airport to Christchurch International Airport, and for flight details visit www.fijiairways.com.